Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to focus on one of the most important verbs in English, the verb to be. This verb is essential for beginners because it helps you talk about yourself, describe things, and form basic sentences. So, let's break down how to use to be in different situations step by step. The verb to be changes depending on the subject of the sentence. Let's go over the basic forms. I am, you are, he, she, slash, it is, we are, they are. These are the present tense forms of to be. For example, I am a student, or she is happy. Practice using these forms with different subjects. We often use the verb to be to describe people, places, and things. Here are some examples. I am tired. He is a teacher. We are from Mexico. The book is interesting. You can describe anything using to be. Your feelings, your job, where you're from, or what something is like. It's a simple and effective way to talk about yourself and the world around you. You can also use the verb to be to ask questions. Just switch the order of the subject and the verb. For example, are you a student? Is she ready? Are they at home? To answer, you can say yes, I am, or no, they aren't. This is how you form simple questions and answers in English. To make a negative sentence with to be, simply add not after the verb. Here are some examples. I am not hungry. She is not here. We're not tired. You can also use contractions to make it sound more natural. I'm not, he isn't, they aren't. This helps you express what something is not. Let's practice using to be in some everyday situations. Introducing yourself. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. Talking about your feelings. I'm excited. Or he's happy today. Describing things. The weather's nice. Or the movie was interesting. Using to be in these situations helps you communicate clearly and effectively. Quick review. How to use the verb to be. Forms of to be. I am, you are, he, she, slash, it is, we are, they are. Descriptions. I am tired. She is a doctor. They are students. Questions. Are you ready? Is it cold outside? Negatives. I'm not hungry. He isn't here. They aren't busy. Practice in real life. Introduce yourself, describe your day, and express your feelings using to be. The verb to be is one of the first things you learn in English, and it's incredibly useful for everyday conversations. By practicing these forms, you'll be able to talk about yourself, ask questions, and describe things with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more basic English lessons and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!